In this video, I'll be explaining and showing to you how you can change your file location in BlueStacks. Well, the first step that you have to do is to access the BlueStacks app layer, which is this. Here you have to focus on finding the gear icon on the right side. Well, this can be located at the bottom right side, which is at the bottom of your display icon, which is this. Now click this gear icon. It will open this interface where you can modify the settings itself for your application. Now I want you to navigate through the preferences and scroll a little until you see this, which is the media folder. Now click the change path and then select the path that you want to send or to set your file location. Just select folder and then click the save changes. And that's it. That's how you can change your file location in BlueStacks, and thank you for listening.